If you're a CS leader, churn is probably the thing you worry about the most. Health scores move for no clear reason. You end up segmenting by company size even though behavior matters more. Your tools show what changed but never why. And by the time the data team gets you answers, the customer is already slipping away. Let me show you a better way. This is Scoop. I'm dropping customer data in. Simple drag and drop. No setup, no waiting. The usual info you already track. Who your customers are, what they use, when they contact support, what they pay. Now let's start asking questions. First question: what predicts customer churn? Scoop jumps straight into the data. Testing approaches, building models, finding what actually drives churn. It's doing in seconds what normally takes teams weeks. Here's what it found. Customers who open multiple support tickets are your biggest risk. That's your red flag. Your newest customers churn the most. Something's broken in onboarding. But customers who stick around and buy more services, they're solid. Next question: segment customers by behavioral patterns. Instead of grouping by SMB or enterprise, Scoop analyzes real behavior: who grows, who slips, who stays, and finds segments that actually mean something. Here's what it surfaced. 4 groups you didn't know existed. Your most valuable customers: loyal, high usage, profitable. Your flight risks: new, high churn rate. Your stable accounts: lower usage, but they stick around. Each group needs a different approach. Now you can build one. Last question: what's actually different between customers who leave and customers who stay? Here's the answer. New customers with service problems leave fast. Fix onboarding. Support tickets predict trouble across every segment. Fix the product. Service bundles work differently depending on how long they've been a customer. Time your upsells better. This isn't a dashboard saying churn went up. This is the root cause, laid out clearly, so you know exactly what to fix. And that's why teams using Scoop find at-risk accounts 85% faster, with 3 times the accuracy. They save customers instead of explaining churn after it happens. If you want to actually solve churn, not just report on it, let's talk. We'll show you what Scoop finds in your data.